Good morning, my dear students. Dear students, today I am going to teach you English literature. So, take out your English literature book, Gulmohar book, and open page number 41. 4141. Okay? So, dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter of this book of English Gulmohar book, which is chapter 6. Chapter 6. Chapter 6. Bed time. Bed time. So my dear students, let's start. Open page number 41. Chapter 6. Bed time. Bed time. Dear students, in this story, there is a little girl. This story is about a little girl and how she feels about going to bed every day. This story is about this little girl and how she feels about going to bed every day. So, let's start. It is bedtime. I lie in bed and think of the fun I can have tomorrow. It is bedtime. Now it is bedtime. Whose bedtime is this? This girl. It is bedtime. I lie in bed and think of the fun. I lie in bed and think of the fun I can have tomorrow. When it is bedtime, when it is her bedtime, this girl bedtime, she lies in bed, okay, and thinks of all of the fun things she can do the next day. When it is bedtime, she lies in bed and think of all the fun things she can do the next morning. Okay? When it is bedtime, she lies in bed and thinks of all the fun things she can do the next morning. I can dance around my room. As you can see, she is dancing. I can sing my favorite song. I can sing my favorite song. She can dance around her room and sing her favorite song. Okay? That girl dance around her room and sing her favorite song. I can go to the playground with my friend. She can go to the playground. Okay? My dear students, when you are happy, you sing your favorite song. Okay? And dance around the room. Dance everywhere. You can dance everywhere. Like you, that girl is also happy. Okay? Next, she thinks what she will do tomorrow. She thinks what she will do tomorrow. I can go to the playground with my friends. We can go up and down the slide. Zip, zoop. Zip, zoop. She can go to the playground with her friends and play on the slide with her friends. She can go to the playground and play with her friend. Okay? You can also play your friends when you go to the playground. So like you, she can also go to the playground and play with her friends. Okay? Now turn the page. Open page number 42. Page number 42. I can blow bubbles in the air and burst them pop. Dear children, as you can see, she can blow bubbles in the air and burst them. I can go to the zoo with father and see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe. Okay, she can go to the zoo with her father. As you can see, she can go to the zoo. She can go to the zoo with her father. Okay, and with her father and see naughty monkey and baby giraffe. She can go to the zoo with her father and see naughty monkey and a baby giraffe. Okay. Now I am ready to sleep. Now I am ready to sleep. Good night. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. After planning all the lovely activities, the little girl is finally ready to go to sleep. After planning all these lovely activities, the little girl is finally ready to go to the bed, go to sleep. Now dear children, we will complete the exercise of this chapter, understanding the story. Kindly open page number 43. Page number 43, 43, understanding the story. A. Complete these sentences using words from the box. Dear students, as you can see, fill in the blanks is here. So you can complete these sentences with the help of the clue. Clue is written here in this box. Okay. Number 1. The girl likes to dash around the room. The girl likes to dance around the room. Number 2. The girl can play on the slide with her friends. Girl wants to play with her friend. Okay. So the girl can play on the slide with her friends. Right here, friends. 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 Okay. Number 3. Dash will teach the girl how to bake. Now tell me, who will teach the girl how to bake a cake? Yes, her mother. So here write mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother will teach the girl how to bake. 4. Dash and the girl can have a tea party. Girl dash the girl can have a tea party. Teddy bear. T-A-D-D-Y. Teddy bear. B-E-A-R. Teddy bear and the girl can have a tea party. Number 5. The girl will blow bubbles. B-U-B-B-L-E-S. In the air. The girl will blow bubbles in the air. Okay. Now next, B. Read the question, then write the correct picture. Read the question, then write the correct picture. What does the girl want to do tomorrow? What does girl want to do tomorrow? Dear children, this is your homework. Now dear students, open page number 44, grammar and uses. Read this sentence. I dance around my room. I dance around my room. The word dance is a doing word. Dear children, the word dance is a doing word. Now, what are doing word? Doing word tell us what a person, animal or things does. Doing word tell us what a person, animal or things does. In other word, an action word is a doing word. In other word, an action word is a doing word. Okay? It tells you what the speaker does. It tells you what the speaker does. Doing word tells you what the speaker does. Doing words are called verb. Doing words are called verbs. Read these sentences. I walk with my friends to school. In this sentence, walk is doing word. What is the doing word? You eat rotis for lunch. Eat. In this sentence, eat is doing word. Eat is a doing word. They go to music class. I watch cartoons with grandma. So, dear children, doing words tell us what a person, animals or things does. Okay? So, let's do the exercise. Circle the doing word. Number 1. Ron and Rohan climb a hill. In this sentence, climb is a doing word. Climb means chadna. So, Ron and Rohan climb a hill. Ron and Rohan कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पहाड़ पे चढ़ रहे हैं. So, climbing is a doing word. Climb is a doing word. Number 2. They carry a basket of food. They carry a basket of food. In this, carry. Carry is a doing word. Number 3. At the top of the hill, they run and play. At the top of the hill, they run and play. In this, run means दौड़ना and खेलना. These two words are doing word. Okay. Number 4. They shout and sing. Shout and sing. Number 5. Then they sit under a tree. In this sentence, sit is a doing word. Okay. Now next, 6. They eat buns and apples. In this, eat. Number 7. They drink some juice. In this, drink means pina. 8. Then they clean the place and walk home. In this sentence, clean and walk. Okay. So, these are doing words. These words are doing words. Okay. Now next, open page number 45. Open page number 45. Words in use. A. Look at the pictures. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Dear children, as you can see, pictures are here. So you can look at this picture and complete this sentence with the help of this clue box. Okay. Number 1. Dash a song. As you can see, what she is doing? She is sing a song. So here you have to write sing, S-I-N-G, sing a song. Number 2. Dash the stairs. Climb means chadhna. Climb the stairs. Number 3. Dash in the pond. What she is doing? Swim in the pond. Number 4. What she is doing? Yes, washing her hand. So here you have to write wash, W-A-S-H, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Number 5. Dash the ball. Kick the ball. 6. Crawl, C-R-A-W-L, crawl on the ground. Okay. Now next, B. Choose the correct words from the box to complete these sentences. Dear children, to choose the correct words from the box. As you can see, many words in this box. So correct words and complete the sentence. Choose the correct word and complete these sentences. Number 1. We cook in the, where we have to cook? Yes, kitchen. So we cook in the kitchen, Kitchen, kitchen. Number 2, we sleep in the bedroom. Where we have to sleep? In the bedroom. Okay? Now turn the page. Open page number 46. 3. We eat in the, where we eat? Yes, we eat in the dining room. So here you have to write dining room, D-I-N-I-N-G, dining room. Next, we sit and talk to people in the 4. We sit and talk to people in the living room, L-I-V-I-N-G, living room. Okay. Number 5, we grow plants and flowers in the garden. Yes, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Okay. Speaking. Now dear children, this is your homework. Okay. And next is writing. Put these words in the correct order and write the correct sentence. Here words are written. So put these words in the correct order. Number 1, Katy, chocolate, cakes, bake. So first we will write Katy, C-A-T-Y. Katy is a name. Katy bakes, B-A-K-E-S, bakes, chocolate, cake. Katy bakes chocolate cake. Okay. Next, 2, sleeps Jane her room in. Okay. Now dear children, the rest you have to complete it. One has been done for you. The rest you have to complete it. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.